Huawei Nexus 6P LCD and touchscreen replacement.
Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need a plastic triangle opening tool, nylon spudger, SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, professional Phillips screwdriver,
Playing cards. Power down the Huawei Nexus 6P smartphone. Eject the Nexus 6P Nano SIM card tray. Apply heat to the plastic panel located at the bottom of the Google phone. Insert the precision knife underneath the plastic panel and create enough space to fit a playing card. Work the playing card under the plastic panel and remove it from the Nexus 6P. Apply additional heat as needed. Now turn your attention to the tight-fitting glass panel at the top of the Google phone. Apply heat, and then with the precision knife, create enough space to fit a playing card. Carefully slide the playing card under the glass panel and peel it off. Apply additional heat as needed. With the fine tip curved tweezers, remove the two tamper-evident seals. Remove the following 6 Phillips screws. Use the precision knife to create space and insert a plastic triangle opening tool. Use the triangle opening tool to release the clips and pop the Nexus 6P out of its rear enclosure. Remove the falling Phillips screw, and then the metal bracket. Disconnect and remove the daughterboard interconnect cable. Detach the battery connector from the motherboard. The Nexus 6P 3.82 volt, 13.18 watt-hour lithium polycell battery is fiercely glued in. Use a combination of the triangle opening tool and the playing card to slice through the adhesive holding it down. And remove the supersized Nexus 6P battery. Disconnect the signal cable from the USB-C daughter board. Remove the falling Phillips screw securing the Nexus 6P USB-C board in place. Use the spudger to pry up and remove the USB-C board from the Google phone. Remove the falling Phillips screw. Use the tweezers to peel up the spring contacts and remove the Nexus 6P loudspeaker from the phone. Remove the following 3 Phillips screws and then the metal bracket. With the tweezers, detach the signal cable from the Nexus 6P motherboard. Disconnect the Nexus 6P display assembly cable. Remove the following 2 Phillips screws securing the motherboard in place. With the tweezers, disconnect the signal cable and remove the metal bracket. The Nexus 6P motherboard is held in place with a gob of thermal paste. With the spudger, carefully pry it up and remove it from the phone. Use the spudger to pry up and remove the Nexus 6P earpiece speaker. Use the heat gun to warm up the adhesive, securing the Huawei Nexus 6P display assembly to the front frame. With the precision knife, create separation and insert a playing card to start slicing through the adhesive. Take your time and apply additional heat as needed. Once you have sliced through the adhesive, be mindful of the ribbon cable when separating the display assembly from the frame.
Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.